what's up? As I informed you in my previous video that we have started a series for the month of June and July. Series is Financial Taxation Help. I am Finance and you're watching Hangout with Finance Anil. For ITR form information and tax lab for the assessment year 24-25, please watch our Financial Tax Help Part 1 video. I will share the YouTube link of this video along with this video. In today's video, we will discuss about the tax calculation, income tax calculation. So the steps to calculate taxes, income taxes for the financial year 23-25 steps are first, select your age group or category, whether you are a resident individual, senior citizen or super senior citizen or NRI. Then disclose your annual income and disclose your investment and eligible deductions, and disclose your HRA, LTA, exemption, etc. etc. So now let's talk about the deduction under different sections. So number one section is where you can deduct is eligible 80C. In this section, your investment in mutual fund, ELSS, PPF, home loan, principal repayment, etc. etc. The limit of this section is 1.5 lakh. Second is 80CCD1B. In this section, your contribution to the NPS allows you a deduction of rupees 50,000, and this deduction is additional to the limit of 1.5 lakh of under section 80C. Number 3 is 24B. In this section, home loan interest repayment. In this section, you can claim a deduction of rupees up to 2 lakh on self-occupied property. Number 4 is 80E, education loan. In this section, the interest repayment, this deduction is available for the maximum period of 8 years. And number 5 is 80G, when you can where you can claim your donation to the charitable institution. This deduction is available up to maximum limit of 50% or 100% of the donation amount, depending upon the type of the institution. So now let's talk about the income tax calculation example based on the new versus old tax regime. For instance, Samaira, whose age is 30 years old and she is an employee in a MNC company in Mumbai. Samaira annual salary is 12,50,000. With a standard deduction of ₹50,000, her gross total income becomes 12 lakh. HRA received is 50,000 per month, means 6 lakh per annum. Special allowance 20,000 per month, means 2,40,000 annual special allowance. LTA she is receiving 20,000 annually, and Samaira pays 40,000 house rent in Mumbai. So in old tax regime, the Samaira basic salary is 12 lakh. HRA she received 6 lakh. She can claim a deduction of 3,55,000. The remaining part 2,45,000 will be included in her salary. She is getting special allowance of 2,40,000. This 2,40,000 will also included in her salary. LTA she is getting 20,000, so she can claim a deduction of 12,000 after submitting bills. The remaining 8,000 will be included in her salary. So the total income from salary in old tax regime of Samaira is 16,93,000. In new tax regime, Samaira basic salary is 12 lakh, HRA plus HRA 6 lakh plus special allowance 2,40,000 plus LTA 20,000. So overall total income from salary will become 20,60,000 in new tax regime. And if we talk about Samaira income tax calculation based on the old tax regime, Samaira gets rupees 10,000 interest from her saving account and rupees 15,000 interest from FD annually. And Samaira invested rupees 1 lakh in mutual fund ELSS and rupees 1 lakh in PPF. And Samaira also have taken a health insurance policy of premium 10,000. Under section 80 TTA, Samaira can claim rupees 10,000 of interest earned from her saving account. And in a health insurance policy, she can also claim a rupees 10,000, and in 80C she can claim a rupees 1.5 lakh deduction. So as per the old tax regime, Samaira income from salary is 16,93,000 and income from other sources, savings plus FD bank, is 25,000, and so the gross total income become 17 lakh 18,000 in old tax regime, and she can claim a deduction under section 80C 1.5 lakh, in 80D 10,000 and 80TTA 10,000. So total claim will be 1,70,000. So now the gross taxable income under old tax regime will 15,48,000, and the total tax including 4% cess will be 2,84,795. And if we talk about the Samira income tax calculation based on the new tax regime, so Samira income from salary is 20,60,000 and income from other sources is 25,000. So the gross total income will become in new tax regime 20,85,000, and the total tax including 4% cess will be 3,38,000. And I hope so that you like the information on tax. My next video on this series of financial tax help will be on how to file IT returns. Thank you for watching. This is Finance Anil signing off.